All right, so Justin, let's wrap it up from there. For shareholders who are watching, what's the big takeaway that you want them to walk away with from watching this interview?
What we want them to understand is the distribution pipeline and what happens as you go through that process. One. Two, you want to watch the leading indicators, which is the number of people being trained. That's who's selling the actual product. Those are two very different things. And as we opened up distribution channels, that's a 6 to 9 month process that we walk through, and you get vetted and they invest in you and you say, hey, you got the production capacity, love that. You got the sales team that's going to support us, love that. I've tested your product out, love that. That's 6 to 9 months. That's what we started a year ago coming through these national distributors. The key thing, though, is Eguana University. That's the training. We've completely refined that model so that we can build more loyalty with the installer base, which is the people who actually sell our product. That's the key. But you have to go through that distribution process first. We've checked that box now with a number of national distributors. Now you want to see how many people are being trained. Are we building our sales force? Train an individual, new person selling at the kitchen table, new sales guy. Now, why do you want to see that significant growth on training? Because of the VPPs that are coming in. This is what we saw in the European market years ago. Slow uptake on energy storage, individual people buying it for self-consumption. Great to have as an early adopter. Utilities start getting involved, start giving money back to the homeowner. Now you're seeing it ramp up. We saw attachment rates of 10%, then 20. Utilities get in 30, 40, 50. That's what we're starting to see in the market here. So go through distribution, refine the training programs for the installers, train more people, have more people selling before the VPPs and the utilities come in. And when that happens, mass adoption, you are square in the center of it. And for Eguana, we'll have the hardware sale and the recurring sale. So the key thing I would say to the shareholders, keep a close eye on the number of people that we're training through Eguana University, because that's the leading indicator to the number of people we have selling in the marketplace. Revenue obviously follows as that number grows. So I would say those are the key takeaways.
And that's something we would likely see on the quarterly financial statements, or is that something you'll be updating in news releases?
Both, actually. So that's going to be as we start to standardize leading indicators and KPIs. 2 KPIs, how many individual users have we signed up into the training modules? How many individual users have we passed through the training modules? Those 2 numbers are the key numbers to understand the growth rate of the boots on the ground selling our technology into the marketplace.